Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. High Court to start trial against President of Goa Cricket Association Vinod Phadke in ticket scam case, quashes their appeal. Situation tense at Dave Sattari over the suicide of a teenager girl. She was employed with a retired DYSP. Questions raised over her death. Every Goan will get water for at least 12 hours a day within 2 years, CM announces during inauguration of water and sewerage project of JICA. Government will not hand over the land to the airport authority till they clearly communicate the plan for the land adjacent to Daboli Airport, says CM. And CM goes for reshuffling of portfolios of the secretaries. CM shuffles his own secretary too. Number of secretaries increased by 1. Now the news in detail. The High Court of Bombay at Goa has ordered to start trial against President of Goa Cricket Association Vinod Phadke, former GCA President Dayanand Narvekar and 4 others in 2001 cricket match ticket scam case. It is alleged that the accused misused their post and printed match tickets more than the stadium's capacity and sold them in the black market. Reacting on the High Court's order, Vice President of the GCA Shekhar Salkar said that Phadke should take a call regarding continuing on the post of the GCA President.
The High Court has paved the way to restart the paused trial of 2001 cricket match ticket scam case involving present President of Goa Cricket Association Vinod Phadke, former GCA President Dayanand Narvekar, then GCA Treasurer Rama Shankar Das and ticket agent Eknath Naik. The High Court on Monday dismissed the petition filed by these accused to quash charges against them. According to Goa police, during the match between India and Australia in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Madgaon on 6 April 2001, GCA management headed by the then President Dayanand Narvekar printed 2,410 extra tickets, including premium tickets priced 1,000 rupees. These extra tickets were sold at higher prices in black market. Police in its investigation found that the management had intentionally printed tickets without serial number to hide the scam. Police had filed charge sheet against the accused for cheating. When we tried to contact the GCA President Vinod Phadke for his reaction, his phone was switched off. Meanwhile, Vice President of the GCA, Shekhar Salkar, said that Phadke should take a call himself regarding continuing as GCA President.
I won't say that he should step down, but like he has to take a call himself. The Supreme Court has given a judgment on politicians. I think the time has come for even general, like you should be available for the sports also. The same thing. This is from 2001 case. Now 12 years, how much? Maybe 13 years too. Such a simple case to run for 12 years. That is what I'm worried about. That one. That means we should finish these cases fast. There has to be time bound this and fire. So it's not correct that just you are charge sheeting him and then continuing for another 10 years. Case it will go for 25 years. It doesn't look nice. It should be finished in time bound. I think then the accountability will be more.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Situation became tense at Dave Sattari over the suicide of a teenager girl. She was employed with a retired DYSP for the last 4 years. In a sudden move, the family of the former DYSP dropped her back home. The 18-year-old girl was missing since then. Her relatives and neighbors were searching for her for the last 1 week. Goa Dangar Samaj and NGO have raised many questions over her death. Police will now conduct a DNA test as the body is found in a decomposed state.
चेडवाची पोस्टमॉर्टम टीम केल्या उपरांत चेडवाची बॉडी चड कुसल्या कारणान आमकां थोडेशे जे आमच्या मनान जो संशय आसलेलो ते संशयाक लागून आमकां रिपोर्ट बरो मेळुना आनी रिपोर्ट मेळुना डॉक्टरान DNA बिएनए सगळे काडून बिडून दवरला पळया तरी सुद्दां आमकां मनान एक दुबाव आसा तो फुडले जे डॉक्टरांनी जे पार्ट्स काडून दवरल्या त्या हेजेर आमकां कितें तरी आमी जो संशय केल्या त्या संशयाक लागून कितें तरी आमकां धागेदोरे मेळटले काय कितें.
From the last 4 years, deceased Janita Karwat was servant at retired DYSP's house at Pilar. On Sunday, 7 July, she was dropped back home by the DYSP's family. Family complained to her mother about her behavior. The retired DYSP's family, while dropping her, handed over her cumulative salary of 33,000 rupees to her mother along with her clothes. Janita had told her mother not to send her for work again. Next day morning, Janita was missing from home. People from Dhave, along with her family, approached Warpai police station. On Sunday, July 14th, her dead body was recovered from the river at Dhave.
आयतारा सांजे 6:30 वरांचेर येयली आनी तिचे आईक आई मेळ्ळी तिका ते पात्रांवाक मेळ्ळी आनी आईक सांगलें खंय अशें करता बरें ना रातचें बडबडटा हें तें मातशें पळया म्हणलें आनी ती पयशे दिले 32,500 रुपया पेमेंट जातलो तिचो तियेन काडून तिका 33,000 रुपया दिले पॅकेटान पॅक करून आनी कपडे आनी चपलां सगळें हाडली आनी तिचे ताब्यान केली आनी ती गेली 6:30 वरांचेर.
President of Goa Dhangar Samaj, MLA Babu Kavlekar, suspects foul play into the death of Janita. He has demanded thorough inquiry.
सरासर सगळे जर विचार करीत जाल्यार हें अशें जें कितें घडलां हाजे फाटल्यान हेजी सखोल चवकशी जावची नीट चवकशी जावची इतलें आमचें उद्देश आसा. चवकशी करता आसतना खंयच घाई म्हणजे खंयच हलगर्जीपणां जावची न्ही कित्याक एक 18-19 वर्सांची चली भुरग्याची जेन्ना ती सोंपता आनीक जें सगळी हिस्ट्री जर पळयत फाटल्यान कशे पद्दतीन जाल्यार एक संशय येता डावट्स येता.
Savera President Tara Kirkar has raised many questions over retired DYSP employing a minor girl as a servant from last 4 years. She has demanded inquiry into the episode and justice for the Janita's family.
पण ज्या कुटुंबान ताका कामाक दवरले त्या कुटुंबान ताका बाल ल्हान भुरगे कामाक दवरले म्हणून तेंचेर खरं म्हणणं जाल्यार चिल्ड्रन एक्ट तांकां लागू करपाचो आनी तांकां अरेस्ट करपाचें.
A reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Another bumper and much awaited announcement comes from CM. Every Goan will get water for at least 12 hours a day within 2 years. CM made this announcement during inauguration of water and sewerage project under JICA at Madgaon and Vasco.
आम्ही 24/7 उदक दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतले. 24/7 सगळेच कडेन एखादी अडचण आसूंक शकता लिकेजी बी मुळे पण हांव इतलें प्रॉमिस करता की 24/7 थोड्या भागांक आनी उरलेल्या भागांक कमीत कमी 12 वरां उदक हे दिवपाक आमी येणाऱ्या 2 वर्सां भितर 101% यशस्वी जातले हाजी म्हाका खात्री आसा. फक्त वाच्या सुंदरान ताज्या वाचे भशेन क्रिया सुंदर करूंक जाय. कितले सवाय उदक मेळटा तें लक्षात घ्या. म्हणून बऱ्याचदा म्हजी विनंती आहे उदक भरपूर सुद्दां मेळ्ळें जाल्यार उट सूट गाडयो धुवू नाका. उट सूट झाडांक घालनाका. हांव झाडांक घालनाका म्हणना पण झाडांक घालता आसतना जर तूं हातूंतल्यान तोटयेंतल्यान घालच्या पेक्षा ल्हानसो मग घेवन घालशात जाल्यार चड झाडांक उदक कमी उदक चड झाडांक पावूंक शकता.
ही जर कामां कंप्लीट जाली जाल्यार मडगांव शहराची सिवरेज पूर्णपणे पूर्णत्वाक वतली अशें हांव मानतां. हांव सगळ्यांत पयलीं सरकाराक धन्यवाद दितां की मडगांव शहराची ही गरज समजून हो प्रोजेक्ट पूर्णत्वाक व्हरपा खातीर जाता तितले बेगीन स्टेप्स घेतले.
हांव फुडल्या म्हयन्यान रिव्यू घेतलो. टायमार सोंपयात नाल्यार प्रकल्प आपलो मारुतीची शक्ती कशी वाडत चल्ला. काही जाग्यार आसा पण काही जाग्यार ना. ते सगळेच टायम शेड्युलान येवंक जाय. थरलेल्या प्रमाणे 2014 दक्षिण गोंयाक सालसेत केपें सांगे आनी मुरगांव तालुको इतल्या तरी तालुक्यान 24/7 ही वॉटर सप्लाय प्रोविजन जावंक जाय. जावंक शकता जर तुमी हाजेर बरयला तशेंच केलें.
जितले आमचे उदक तुमचे पर्यंत पावोवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता तातूंतल्यान जवळ जवळ 30% उदक आमचे ना जाता. खंय ते लिकेज आसा. नंबर 2 थोडे चोरता आनी नंबर 3 जे थोडे बिलिंग जायना आनी त्या खातीरूच नवे तरेचे मिटर ह्या स्पेशली जायका प्रोजेक्टान आमी घेतल्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.